So I'm gonna share with you in this video 5 home hacks, 5 genius home hacks that you need to know. Most of these hacks are to help your home to smell better with just using one simple product that you most likely have already in your home. Stay tuned. If you want your home to smell fresh with 7H, well, what you're gonna do is fill up some little bowls. These little bowls you can get anywhere, or you can use like the condiment cups. Fill them up with the scent booster, any one of your choice, whether lavender or the lime, you know, those natural fragrance, whatever one you like. Fill it up with it, and you're gonna put them in different areas of your home. So for example, you can put one in the closet, you can put one in the guest bedroom, you can put one in the bathroom on top of the cabinet where nobody's gonna reach it. And if you have pets and kids, please keep it away from the pets and the kids. So store it in high places. This is going to make your home smell like fresh. This next one is still using our favorite little scent beads. So what you're gonna do is fill up a measuring cup, probably 2 cups of water, hot water or warm water, whichever one, and then you're gonna pour a cup of scent bead in it. Stir it around until they melt. Then you're gonna pour that mixture in a spray bottle. Walk around in your house, spritz, 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 spritz. Gonna smell so fresh. This mixture you can spray on like your soft material, so like your bed, your sofa, your carpet, your clothing in your closet, towels. Like if you want to freshen up your towels, if you're having guests and you don't have the time to wash the towels, but you know they're clean, but you want them to smell fresh, spritz, 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 spritz. Spray them on your towels. It's gonna smell so good, so good. Okay, one more act for the scent beads. If your vacuum, like for example, this is for most people with pets or whatever, if you just want your apartment to smell or your home to smell heavenly, what you can do, sprinkle some scent beads on the ground and just vacuum them up. When you vacuum them up, that's gonna like just spread the freshness in the air. It's gonna smell so good. It's gonna like deodorize your vacuum. So you know, like when you're vacuuming, the air circulate, right? So funky stuff is already in your vacuum, you're gonna smell it while you're vacuuming. For example, pet hair and stuff like that. So this is gonna help with that scent. So it's gonna combat the odor and leave your apartment, your home smelling fresh. So just sprinkle your scent beads and vacuum them up. Simple as that. When you're vacuuming, this is the act for when you're vacuuming. If you have carpet or rug, when you're vacuuming your carpet or your rug, you want to vacuum in all directions. I know that we like to see the streak on the carpet going in one direction. That's really nice, that's cute. But if you want to get out all the dirt, all the dust from your carpet, vacuum in all directions. So you go diagonal first, then you go vertical, and you just do it like that. Take out the dust. It's just gonna like rough it up, and it's gonna get the dust out when you do it like that from all directions. This next act is for your bathroom, to leave your bathroom smelling fresh. What you want to do is get some pine sol and pour it in the toilet brush holder. You can take out the brush and pour it in, or you can just pour it on the brush. What it's gonna do is it's gonna clean the brush, disinfect the brush, and it's gonna leave your bathroom always smelling fresh. If you do not like the pine scent, because you know it's a little bit, you know, strong, it's also like very Christmassy. If you don't want that scent, there's so many different scents that you can choose one of your liking. But there's different scents that you can choose from if you don't like the pine scent. But that act is gonna leave your bathroom always smelling fresh. It's gonna always have your bathroom brush being deodorized and disinfected, because you know the pine sol has cleaning agent in it, so it's gonna always keep it clean. There you have it, guys, for my 5 genius home hacks that you need to know. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.